he laughing at that?
Come on.
I don't know.
Oh, fuck. I changed it now. My eyes are watering. Oh, right. Yeah, I can kind of feel it actually.
Tigers like pepper.
I like ginger.
Oh wow!
I got pepper all over my nose.
I think I must have known. Oh, it's coming.
I'm just gonna get a little pepper.
I can kind of feel it, like I can feel it's there, but I said, oh wait.
All right.
I couldn't snort enough to make me sneeze. I got like.
Dude, you gotta open your hand. What do you mean you could snort enough? You've got.
I have pepper all over my nose and it feels weird.
Marcus is doing. Okay. Okay. Hey. Now we gotta be serious so Marcus doesn't laugh while he has it in his mouth.
I'm gonna be sneezing all night. I'm still.
Just take some bites now and just.
I know. We gotta be serious. Wait. So now you have to hold the.
That might have been the end of them right there. No, it's not. All right.
Get some pudding in your mouth. Hold on. Are you recording this? Yeah. Oh, okay. Hold on. That's our goal.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't do a little bit.
You need a little more pepper, and then we gotta be serious so he doesn't. Wait. Do you have to hold this sneeze in like that, or you have to like blow it
I
out?
think if I just
Hold
I mean,
it.
I hope I don't. I'm gonna sneeze out my mouth.
Don't cover it. Ignore
No,
it.
I won't. I won't cover it. Where am I just doing it into the sink or into the paper towel?
Paper towel.
Apparently, so you don't want the paper towel.
Boy,
I mean, I got pepper.
Put it on the wall or something.
I
Those
know.
are clean dishes.
I know, but I'm just gonna put them over here so I can set the paper towel
I
right.
feel like this is a danger zone over here.
Oh my god.
Projectile onto you. Oh!
Hey, that's the risk you have to take.
It'll be funny though.
Holy shit.
Get loose.
My nose burns, but I can't see this.
It's so red.
Okay, so
You're gonna eat the pudding first or what?
Dude, I think you could do what you did last time. Just snort it. If you just
and then put a huge
and then
spoonful.
just, yeah.
Fix my hair. In case I'm on TV.
In case you're on TV.
Okay.
In case you're on TV, you know.
Pepper.
I gotta completely unwrap my snack pack.
You gotta taste the pepper pudding challenge.
Oh god. This is like a big turd coming out your nose.
That's definitely not chocolate.
That's not chocolate. That's poop.
It's just like this day with
Pepper. That's good.
That's good.
There goes nothing.
Okay, we gotta be serious.
I gotta get my spoonful ready.
Oh, bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger?
Yeah, take that huge one that you took before. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Get in the big spoon.
Clear the sinuses up. Holy shit.
It does.
Wow.
I feel like shit though still.
Oh god. Alright.
It's like cocaine, just like your cocaine.
Alright. Alright.
We're live.
Alright.
Doesn't count. Is it coming? Yes.
Cute. Need more pudding?